maraming nagtatanong kung ano ba yung mga penalties natin dito sa Baguio City. So, ito lang yung ilan sa mga penalty natin, ha? Yun sa COB 05 Series F 2017 or yung truck ban and bus ban, 2,000 po yan. Tapos magiging 3,000 sa second offense and 5,000 sa third offense succeeding pag nahuli pa siya. Driving without license, 1,000 po. Reckless driving, 1,000. Yung obstruction po, 500. Illegal parking, 500. Number coding po is 500 din. Yung non-observance of traffic control signs and symbol, yung TCSS, ibig sabihin po yan, traffic control signs and symbol is 300 pesos. And yung failure to use seatbelt is 250 pesos. MC ban, 150 and police order 100.